Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can go ahead and make a list on HubSpot. So let's get right into it. Now, lists are a feature of the CRM functionality of HubSpot. They can help you, pretty much make lists of anything you need to easily access any data that you might need to have on hand. Now, to create a list, it's actually very easy. What you need to do is locate the CRM options of your HubSpot, which is the second tab over here to the left, and then go into lists. Here you'll find your lists folder / menu, and as you can see, there are no lists here currently. Now you can import them if you already have lists from other services. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create a list. I'll name it test and I'll give it the description test. You can use the list assistant if you want. I will not. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a static list, and then you can add custom properties if you want. I will not. Then once you select everything there, just click next, and now you can add filters to start building your list. I'll add one filter. So for example, select a filter category, for example CTAs, CTA click, and let's say contact properties and first conversion. And yeah, that should be it. Now it's updating the list preview. You can also edit the filter if you want, but once the preview is updated, you will be able to save the list. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.